ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and today I have another Allure Beauty unboxing. I just cut the tab off of this, and so we're going to get right into it. Alright, little booklet, as you guys know, that tells me what's all in here. A little bit of advertising. And we're going to get into what's in the the box. Okay, so here's what's in the box, and we're going to go through all these items, okay? Okay, the first thing that I'm going to pull out of this box is, it's called Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator. And I'm going to open up the booklet so I can tell you what it says about this. So, okay, so it says, I usually go in the order of the book, but I just grabbed this one out first. After that, I'll go in order. Okay, so this Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator says, why you'll love it. Okay, you'll love it because it sloughs away dullness, grime, and dead skin cells. And it's a creamy, just a little gritty treatment. So yeah, so you guys remember that I got another exfoliator in my last box, which was from another company, and I can't even remember the name of it. But yeah, so, oops, so well, there it is. So this is a smaller version of this one, and it says that this one is $34 for 4.23 ounces. And right now I've got 20 grams. Let me put my glasses on. I don't even know why I started this without putting my glasses on. Okay, all right, here we go. Okay, yeah, it says it's 20 grams, 0.71 ounces. So this is 0.71 ounces, and it says that for $34 you get 4 ounces. So, okay. All right, so there's that. So I'll have these glasses on correctly. Okay, the next thing I get, and let's go by the book. I'm gonna go by the book. The next thing I get is something called Fleur and Bee Just Do Hydrating Serum. So let's see what that is. Let's see, which one is that one? Oh, here it is. Okay, so that's this one. And it says it's $34 for an ounce. So let's see, this is an ounce. So this box right here is $34, okay? $34 for this box of Fleur and Bee Just Do It Hydrating Serum. So I'm going to open up the box. They love, I don't know what that was. Oh, some little card or something in here. You're a queen bee, it says. If you have any questions, comments, or issues with your order, please reach out. Okay. So this is a hyaluronic anti-aging hydrating serum. Now they're really good at putting these in these boxes, and I have a few of these, and so we're just going to set this one aside. Okay, so, and if you've heard of any of these companies, you know, let me know. If you want to look up the prices to see what it really ought to cost based on what they're saying it costs, you can do that too. Okay, the next item is Belief Aqua Balm Brightened Vitamin C Cream, and that's this. It says, you'll love it because like gossip in a group chat with your best friend, skin is best when it's extra juicy. Give me a break. Okay, so it says it has radiance boosting vitamin C, moisture retaining hyaluronic acid, and soothing vitamin E to give you glassier skin that's bouncy with moisture. I don't think I want my skin to be bouncy, certainly not glassy. But this is $43 for a 1.69 ounce. And what I received is, oh, this little thing doesn't even say what it is. Yeah, I don't even see I don't see how much is in this. Oh, it's 0.33 fluid ounces. So this is 0.33. And they're saying that, excuse me, that a 1.69 is $43. So that's not much bigger than this, maybe twice this size. Anyway, oh, you know what? I keep forgetting to smell these things and stuff like I told you guys I would do. So I'm going to open this up. This actually smells good. It does. It smells like citrusy, fruity. That smells good. It's a brightening vitamin C cream. Well, I guess if it's vitamin C, it should smell fruity, right? Okay, so yeah, let me go backwards because I didn't smell this Brighten Up Exfoliator either. And you know I always try to do that for you guys. It's got that protective cap on it like it always does. Yeah, this smells kind of soapy, but that's okay. I mean, it's an exfoliator. And okay, let's go back to the Fleur and Bee. Just do it. The brown bottle is kind of misleading. Ew, look at that. It's yellow. Wow, let me see what comes up in it. Ew, you know, it looks like orange juice, like fresh squeezed orange juice on here. I'll have to let you guys know what this is about. Okay, before we move along, let me tell you that the wig I'm wearing is Outre Marisa. She is in the color something something vanilla chocolate. So there you go, it's something vanilla chocolate. Okay, so the next thing in here is called, ooh, another Saturday Skin sample. Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. And I'm gonna open up the box. Bright Eye Cream, it says. And you guys know I love Saturday Skin. I've bought several products by them already. So this is it. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. It says you'll love it because it feels like a dream when applied to tired under eyes, and the buttery formula helps concealer or foundation wear smoothly on top. Okay, it says tap it under your eyes and over your crow's feet with pinky finger so you don't tug on the area's thin skin. Now you guys know I've always told you about that too. Don't tug on your skin, but okay, I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it's got a protective cap on it. It has no smell at all. No smell, but that's okay. That's okay, because I love Saturday Skin, and whatever this does, I'm sure it's going to be great because I love their stuff. So this Bright Eye Cream I will be using. All right, next on the list, Vuori. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much it costs. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you how much it costs. This Saturday Skin for 50 ounces is $32. And I have 50 ounces. You have got to be kidding me. 0.50. 0.50 ounces is $32. And this is 0.50 ounces. So this little thing is $32. Now you guys know I told you about this box being $24 a month. This paid for the box right there. And then these other things, of course, were $34 and whatever dollars. So yeah, so I always get what I pay for with this box. Okay, the next one is Vuori Hidden Waterfall Shampoo and Conditioner Bars. So these are supposed to be little soaps in here. It says, why you'll love it. You think bars would have to sacrifice results in the pursuit of being eco-friendly, but this duo leaves hair surprisingly clean and conditioned without a single plastic bottle. Okay, so this is supposed to be shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna open this up. The box is very interesting looking. Oh, and it's like, look at that, it's like soap bars. It's like little soap bars, but it's actually shampoo and conditioner. That's interesting. I've not seen anything like this before. Look, this is a shampoo and conditioner. These two. Wow. And I haven't done my nails, so don't holler at me. Like I said, I just haven't gotten around to getting them done. But yeah, this is something different. I've not seen this before. Shampoo, conditioner, and a soap. So yeah, again, this is called Vuori Shampoo and Conditioner Bars. And for the bundle is $33. It doesn't say what the price is for, you know, the size. It just says $33 for the bundle. So if both of these together are $33, wow, that's a lot for two little bars, but I'm here for it because, like I said, I only paid $24 for the whole box. So I'm fine so far. Okay, moving right along. Now this is interesting. They sent me this eyeliner, but before they sent it to me, I got an email asking me to choose the color eyeliner I wanted. I really love that. So almost a month before this box came out, they sent me an email and said, pick the color eyeliner you want. So I asked them for the brown one. This is called True and Luscious Brow Definer Pencil, and it's $20. This pencil is $20, and they allowed me to get the color that I asked for, which was brown. So, I mean, there's no sense in taking it apart because it's just a eyeliner with a little bristle brush at the end. But I'm glad they asked me what color I wanted, so I got brunette. That's what it's called, brunette. And again, this is $20. So far we're way far into past the $24 I paid. Okay, next thing. Sephora Collection Big By Definition Mascara. And that's this. And this is kind of small, but that's the mascara they sent me. It says it's $12. For this size mascara, it's $12 because it says that on the outside of this thing. It says only $12 or whatever. It's a volumizing and lash multiplying effect. They're claiming it's 135% fuller lashes. So we will see, because I'm going to use this in one of my reviews and I'm going to let you guys know if I feel like it's 135% fuller my lashes are, because you know I've been trying to avoid, excuse me, what's wrong with my throat? I've been trying to avoid putting like fake lashes on. I wear them, but yeah, I'd rather wear my own, so we'll see how that works out. Okay, so again, that's $12 from Sephora. Okay, and the last thing that's in here is called, and I can't even pronounce this, Don Jinbi Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence X. That's a long name for whatever this is. It says it's Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence X. It says for 0.30 milliliters, and this is 5 milliliters, but for 25 milliliters more, it's $66. So this is only 5 milliliters, and it's 30 milliliters is $66. So let me open up this box while I'm reading to you what it says. It says, there's a reason hydrating essences are so popular in Korea, okay? It says they make skin brighter, dewier, and they layer seamlessly. Okay, so we're gonna open this up to see what it looks like. So this is it. This is the bottle. It says, layer it under your new Fleur and Bee serum. Okay, so they're telling me to use it with this, to put this under this. Lay it under your Fleur and Bee serum and Belief cream as a nourishing prep step that floods skin with moisture. So they want me to use this and this, all these three together. They're telling me to use all three together. So we'll see how that works out. I'm gonna take the top off. Oh, okay, and then you just, I guess you just keep doing this until it comes out. Nothing's come yet. Oh, there it is. Yep, it's just like a gel. It's just a gel. It's just a gel. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my hand because I'm not putting it on my face. It smells like, it's hard to describe how it smells. It smells like something my husband would wear. It does. It smells like something my husband would have in his medicine cabinet. And when you rub it in like this, it doesn't have a smell at all. So I don't know. But I guess if it's supposed to be some kind of a serum, then I guess it doesn't really matter. And once you, I guess, hide it with all this other stuff, it probably doesn't even make a difference. Okay, so that was all that was in this container. Again, I paid $24 for this box. So we got the mascara from Sephora. We got the Saturday Skin Eye Cream. We got this Fleur and Bee Hydrating Serum. We got the Fasanti Exfoliator. We got the Belief Cream, the Brightening Cream. We got the 2 shampoo and conditioner soaps. We got this other defense thing, whatever it is. And we got the eyeliner pencil. We also got a very small sample of something from the Body Shop. It says enhanced with Edelweiss for stronger, smoother skin, 40% more powerful antioxidant versus retinol. Okay, so I guess this is a retinol replacement. It says intense smoothing cream. And then they give you a 15% off coupon if you go to the Body Shop. But this is just a really small sample they threw in here for that. So ladies, that was it. That was my box. That's all the stuff that's in it. Again, I think I got my money's worth for my $24 that I spend a month for this box. And again, I also told you that when you sign up to get the monthly box, that you can buy these products for up to 80% off. And I've been able to do that successfully a couple of times and been very happy about that, especially once I find a product that I really like and I want to buy it again. I don't have to go and pay a ton of money for it someplace else when I can get it right from Allure for a lot less. So thank you guys so much for watching, and again, if you're interested in the wig, it's Outre Marisa, and she's in the color something something vanilla chocolate. I'll put it down in the description section. Shout out to the Hearts and Cake 90 Brittany, because she reviewed this wig in this color and I just fell in love with it. So yeah. So again, ladies, I appreciate your support. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button and the notification bell. And as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.